Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Julie and today I have a super fun and festive holiday video to share with you. I have been shopping and sourcing Michaels for decades now. They have become my go-to source for everything DIY, so naturally this holiday season I'm hightailing it to my local Michaels for all of my crafting needs. Thank you to Michaels for sponsoring this video. First up, we have to find the perfect tree. Michaels has always been my go-to to deck my entire home out with holiday fun and festive delight. Next, it's time for all the Christmas bells and whistles to help this tree come alive. Although I'm a glam girl through and through, I love to mix it up from time to time and inject a little whimsy into the tree. I am totally feeling earth tones this season, so the holiday spice collection really spoke to my aesthetic. I'll be adding strategic color in here for contrast, but I love how the warmth of Christmas is truly captured in this earthy and organic collection. I landed on the jasper tree and I love how it feels so fluffy and green. The tips almost feel as it has a flocked effect, so I can get a little bit of white and a little bit of green for contrast. I always take my sweet time to fluff out the tree. This step is crucial to help the tree come alive. This year, instead of traditional ornaments, I really wanted to add some whimsy to the tree. Kamari is still really young, so I know she'll be fussing with it, so we can't have anything too precious or delicate. I've corralled a mix of branches, from magnolia leaves, to gold beaded branches, to frosted acorns, and we'll start by filling up the tree with these elements first. come the crimson peonies. I love how the fullness of the petal really adds depth and character to the tree. We'll be adding all of the holiday spice elements with these dried oranges and berries. I love how this apple-pear combo glitters and gleams against the Christmas lights. We can't leave the ornaments out, so I made sure to snag some shatterproof ones so they don't accidentally break. And we can't forget all our furry friends. They really are icing on my Christmas tree. I cannot wait for my daughter to see my Christmas creation and maybe even add her own finishing touches. This year is all about making the holidays come alive, and what better way to bring the family together than through the gift of creation. Thank you to Michaels for helping me craft another colorful and magical holiday season. If you like this type of holiday content, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know how you're decorating your tree this year. Share this video with anyone you know who's looking to create some holiday magic with Michaels. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell to be notified of new videos that we drop every Tuesday. Happy holidays, everyone. Happy DIYing.